Hey guys, welcome back. This is China and I'm about to show you guys how I created this Stormy look on my girl Cleo. So first we're going to start by brushing all of her edges back. I'm using the Got To Be gel and the clear gel, and then we're just going to blow dry that back. Make sure you have all of their edges back so they can keep their edges. So we're going to blow dry all of that back. And then after that I'm going to go ahead and oil her scalp with black castor oil.
Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
Okay, and now I'm about to apply the ball cap. You want to stretch it as far as you can so you can see right through the ball cap, so you can see where her hairline is going to be, and that's where you're going to apply the glue line. And then we're going to go ahead and cut out her ear tabs, making sure that it's flat on the sides for her sideburns. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply the glue. And then you want to go ahead and smear it out. Make sure you only do a thin line of glue. You don't want to put too much. And then you're going to let that dry out. Make sure it dries clear before you cut the cap. I'm going to go ahead, after that dries, I'm going to go ahead and cut the cap off. And then we're going to go ahead and apply the makeup.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly, I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million.
Alright, and here I am sizing up the wig, making sure everything fits and looks right. We're going to go ahead and put the combs that's in the back of the wig. We're going to comb it under her braids. And then we're going to cut the excess ball cap off.
You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Alright, and now we're about to clean her hairline with 91% alcohol, and then I'm going to apply skin protectant, and then after that we're going to do 2 layers of lace glue. All of these products are from Hair by Erica J. I will tag her below. I usually do 4 layers, but Cleo, she switches her wigs up every 2 days, so we only did 2 layers, and then after that we're going to go ahead and apply the lace.
Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I rather.
Alright, now we're about to get into the styling. We were going for like a loose beach wave, messy look, so that's what we're doing with the wand curler. you want to curl down, and you want to make sure you leave the ends straight so it creates that beach body wave look. You want to use a razor in a very jagged motion, and yes, you see the lace, but trust the process. You will not see it in a little bit. Trust the process. It's all a part of the process. So you want to go ahead and cut all of that lace off, and then you're going to spray it with your favorite hairspray, and then we're going to melt it down one more time. Alright, and now you're about to see the magic happen. Boom. Lace gone. Finished up styling off of camera, but you will see the results in the end. We were pretty much just messing with it. You want to comb through the curls, get it real messy looking, and you guys will see at the end. Thank you guys for watching so much. I appreciate it. I hope you subscribe and like my video, and see you guys next Monday.